We're out here watching Cody, Titan Machinery's in-house videographer, take some videos of used equipment at the Titan Outlet Store in Moorhead. Just kind of seeing his process of how he does things. Got to have a lot of good communication between the operator and the videographer. Make sure they get the shots that they need. Very thorough inspection. Checking everything out, showing you what you want to see. He knows right where to stand to get all the action. Cody's learned a lot about ag equipment since he started. Didn't have a very strong background, but he's really getting it. Very cool to see. Cody used to work at a TV station in Fargo. He's got a lot of really good video experience. We use a lot of hand signals to talk back and forth so we can show you guys what you want to see and use equipment. Gain that confidence that everything's going to work when you get it to your farm. That's how we make video demos at the Titan Outlet Store.